Here's a detailed breakdown of the lying on the mat single, lateral kicks, alternating legs exercise. How the exercise works. You lie on your side on a mat, keeping your body aligned. Lift the top leg to perform a controlled lateral kick. Lower it back down and repeat. Alternate legs after a set number of repetitions. Primary muscles worked. 1. Gluteus medius and gluteus minimus. Main muscles responsible for hip abduction, lifting the leg sideways. Number 2. Gluteus maximus. Assists with hip stability and extension during the kick. 3. Hip flexors, iliopsoas, rectus femoris. Help control the movement when lifting the leg. 4. Obliques. Stabilize your torso while lying on your side. 5. Adductors, inner thigh. Work eccentrically to control lowering of the leg. 6. Quadriceps. Lightly engage to straighten the leg during the kick. Secondary supporting muscles. Core stabilizers, transverse abdominis. Maintain spinal alignment. Lower back muscles, erector spinae. Prevent tilting of the pelvis. Benefits. 1. Strengthens hip abductors. Important for balance, lateral movement, and preventing knee injuries. 2. Improves core stability. The obliques and deep core, muscles engage to keep the body steady. 3. Enhances glute activation, targets. The side glutes often neglected in regular squats or lunges. 4. Improves flexibility and range of motion in the hip joint. 5. Helps with posture and gait. Strong lateral hip muscles support walking, running, and standing. 6. Low impact, gentle on joints while still. Effective for toning and strengthening. Please check my next video.